All right, gang, it's time to talk about the budget gasser build off. I think it went pretty well for our first build off. I'd like to thank again everybody who did participate in it. And if you haven't went and checked out all their videos, go do so. If you check out my budget gasser build off car, the T-Bucket, all the builders are in the description below. But before we go any farther, I'd just like to discuss, basically I'm a little pissed because in my world, if you commit to doing something and you say you're going to do something, you do it. So I'm not going to name any names, but there were quite a few builders who committed to doing the build off, and they never posted anything. They never let me know, like, I can't do the build off or I'm not doing it anymore or what the deal is. I don't know. But it's just kind of like rude, and there's a lot of, it's just kind of like a slap in the face to you guys because, you actually took the time to commit to doing the build your car, upload your video. And there's a lot of people that wanted to see everyone's builds. But it is what it is. I'm not going to waste any more time on those people. So what I am going to talk about now are all the people that actually did build cars for the build off, and all you guys really built really cool stuff. Really impressed me a lot, and some of you really went like over the top with the budget thing, which is super cool because I hope it really inspires a lot of people to get into this. That was kind of the whole point of this thing, was to inspire people and show them I can do this and not have to spend a lot of money, or I can maybe just use stuff I already have or tools I already have. So that's really cool. Drew's Custom Diecast did a 64 Thunderbolt gasser. Super cool. I really dig the 64 Thunderbolts. I've been wanting to do one of them for a while. I just haven't got around to it. Go check him out. Go check that car out. Super cool. D's Custom Diecast Restoration. He did an old Matchbox 65 Mustang. Really dig that car too. The color on it, I really like that green color. I really like the engine detailing and the headers and stuff he did on that car. Super cool. Go check out D's Custom Diecast Restoration and his Mustang that he did for the build off. Go check out Flying Valiant. He did a super cool build, super cool video. Did a 63 Vet from Hot Wheels, a split window. And I gotta give you like super double thumbs up on your car, because you went way above what I even asked, and you used low buck tools and low buck supplies, and he did the car up as kind of a barn find car. Really neat car. I really like that one. So go check him out. Go check out that car. Super cool. 57 Ford man. He did a couple of cars, some super cool cars, but his actual build-off car was a Hot Wheels 57 Chevy. Super cool fade paint job on that one. Go check him out. Go check that car out. And then last but not least, Fastback Customs. From what I could tell, he seems like a younger guy, which is super cool. And I like to see younger people as well as anybody getting into this hobby. He did a 67 Chevelle from Hot Wheels. Super cool car. Go check out Fastback Customs. And as I talked about through this whole thing, I wanted to give kind of a care package to my favorite builder and my favorite car of the Budget Gasser build off. And that was basically just kind of my little thank you for doing this. And I know with this whole mess we're in with this COVID stuff, it can be kind of tricky to go out and find new project cars and stuff. So I wanted to give this to somebody that I think will do the most with it and could use it the most. And I don't want any hard feelings from anybody, because all you guys are awesome. I really liked all your cars, but I said I'm gonna do this, so I'm giving one person. You're going to be getting all these cars right here. So this whole row of cars and this whole row of cars here. Plus, I got a bag here with some wheels and motors and a bunch of other little cool detailing parts. You're going to get all that sent to you, and that builder is Fastback Customs, and I picked him because he really seemed excited about this build. He's a new guy, a new channel. I think he could really use the support. And I think, you know, I could tell he's kind of a younger guy, so I know when I was younger I didn't have a lot of money. So I think he could really do well with some free stuff. So my email will be in the description below. All you need to do is email me and tell me where you want the stuff sent to, and I'll try to get it out to you as soon as possible. Again, I'd like to thank everybody for being in the Hansen Speed Shop's first build-off, the Budget Gasser build-off. You guys are all awesome. Again, if you haven't went and checked out everyone's videos, go do it, or go do it again, because the cars are really sweet. Hopefully we'll be doing another build off in the future at some point. I've got some more ideas floating around for some cool build offs that we could do. If you aren't a subscriber to Hansen Speed Shop, hit that subscribe button, because there's definitely more cool stuff like this on the way, and there's tons of cool stuff on the channel to go check out. But otherwise, until next time, get out, work on your own projects, get your hands dirty, stay cool, and we'll catch you cats on the next one. Thanks for watching.